Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter compound interest with formula. Okay. In the previous chapter you learned how can you find out the compound interest without using the formula. As you know, the compound interest, what is the definition of the compound interest is when you are getting the interest on interest. So it means in first year, interest on interest means you will get the interest after at least 1 year. So it means the simple interest and the compound interest for the first year will remain same, because if you concentrate on the definition of the compound interest is the interest on interest, means you are getting the interest on principal amount as well as in interest. Okay, so it means for the first year, compound interest and the simple interest will remain same. Now there in the previous chapter you learned without using formula. Here we are discussing how can you use the formula for finding out or for calculating the compound interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. What is A? A is the amount, P is the principal amount, and R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of terms or number of years. Okay, for how many terms or for how many years you are depositing the principal amount. So this is the formula for finding out the amount after some period. Okay, 1 year, after 1 year, 2 year or 5 year, whatever it is. This is the okay. Now the second is when rates for successive years, means what is in which condition we will apply the first formula. If the rate of interest is similar for all the terms or for all the years, but if the rate of interest for the first year is different and the second year is different and third is different, so you have to use this formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 upon 100. R1 is the rate of interest for the first year. 1 plus R2 upon 100. R2 is the rate of interest for the second year. 1 plus R3 upon 100. This is the rate of interest for the third year. So if the rate of interest for different years are different, then you have to use this formula. Okay. Note, if rate are same, suppose R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3, means we are talking about this condition, the first one. If the rate is similar for all the years, then we are using this formula. For the second, we are saying if the rate of interest is different for different years. So what I am saying, if the R is same, so in the second formula I am writing here A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100, 1 plus R upon 100, 1 plus R upon 100. If the rate will same, then 1 plus R upon 100, 1 plus R upon 100 into 1 plus R upon 100. All these quantities are same. Okay, bases are same and the power is 1 here. Means in all the cases power is 1. Okay, so it means P into 1 plus R to the power 100, 1 plus R upon 100 whole power 3. Whole power 3 means 1, 1 and 1. These power are going to add it. Which law we are applying here? We are applying product law. Are you getting me? If the bases are same, they are advertised with the multiplication sign, then the power will be added. Now see here, when the interest is compounded half yearly means 2 times in a year, means interest you are getting in 6 months. So that is called, so then you will apply A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 2 into 100 to the power n into 2. So what is the meaning of this one? This is very important. If rate of interest is 10% per annum, but you want your money in 6 months, so the bank will not give you 10%. So it will be only half of that one, because this is the 6 months. So that it means it will be divided by 2. Rate will be divided by 2, and because that is in 1 year, So the time will be multiplied by 2, because in 1 year there will be 2 terms, always that will be double. So the timing will be double and the rate will reduce by half. Okay, so note these points are very important. Per rate, percent, per annum. Per annum means in 1 year you are getting 10%. If something you are getting in 6 months, you can understand what you have to do. Compounded half yearly means 6 months you are getting. So what you have to do? Compounded yearly and compounded half yearly. So these are very important key words where you have to concentrate, and what will be the effect if in question these 3 terms are using in any question. So which formula you have to apply here and which modification you have to do into the formula, as the rate is being halved here, why, and time is being multiplied by double, why. So this is because if you will think about these 3 points, so the points will be clear. I explained you. Okay, thank you.